Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Astha and I make home and lifestyle videos on this channel. This is actually part 3 of my Holi series, so if you haven't watched the last 2 videos, please go check them out. In my last video, I made some DIY decors for Holi, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I use them to decorate my living and dining space. I am having a small gathering at my place on the day of Holi. So I wanted to decorate my space a little bit and set the table for snacks and sweets and add a lot of color everywhere, give it a very fun and festive vibe, and I think it has turned out great, and I'm very excited to share it with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. To make this flower arrangement, I'm using a green foam or the florist foam. You can get it easily at any florist shop, and I'm using toothpick to insert the marigold flowers in it. I switched all the pictures in these frames with this bright multicolor artwork to go with my colorful Holi theme. And I think they look fabulous. So as you can see, I've set up the food table here, but obviously there's no food here right now because I'm shooting a day before and I'll be laying out the food the next day. But this is how I've planned. I'm going to be putting some fried snacks in the bamboo basket on the left, and in the bottles there I'm going to be serving thandai, and on the plates here there'll be different snacks for everyone. guys, so this was it for my Holi decoration video. Hope you guys liked it. I am personally feeling very festive already. I wish you guys a very happy Holi. May you have an amazing time with your friends and family. If you like the video, please like, share and comment, and do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post my next video. I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Till then, bye bye.